Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you. It is Tuesday, March 19th. This is a trading recap on how the trading went today. And as you can see, did not go well. Man, remember I wish I could go do a flashback to yesterday, because I knew yesterday was way too easy. I almost had no drawdown in any of my trades. And I even was dumb enough to make a comment that it was an easy day of trading. I should know better by now. I should know better than to say that. Because today, the market humbled me and punished me. And I also, I was a bad boy. I didn't follow my rules. And I paid for it. I deserve it. Every time I think, okay, I'm good, I kind of take a couple steps forward and then I take a step back. I think that's part of the trading journey that we go through. But today I definitely messed up. Pretty disappointed in myself in a way. I'm not going to be too hard on myself, but I'm more disappointed that I didn't stop trading when I ended stream. That was my fault. That to me is where I messed up. But let's just kind of go through how the day went. It started here. This is where it started this morning. We had a pretty big move lower right off of the open. Had a nice V-shaped reversal move. Then we came back down. We failed to make new lows, which once we failed to make new lows, I was looking for long entries. Right here is where we took our first trade a little bit prematurely. I cut the trade. Cut the trade, took the loss pretty quickly. So it wasn't a big deal. But then I was just a little bit too impatient this morning. I was way too impatient and thinking that we're going to make a really nice move higher. And I have to make sure I don't miss out. And I should have been more patient. I scalped a little bit here on the profit. I actually had a really good entry here to try and just, usually when the market is really making a nice move higher, I will move my profit target a little bit higher to try and capture a little bit more of that move. But then this trade here is kind of what did me in. We made a nice move higher, exactly what I was looking for. And then we pulled back to this EMA, kind of what I was waiting for. And I entered here and we just had this huge 30-point red candle that just ripped lower. And that red candle just wouldn't stop. It just kept going. And finally, I just bailed. I finally had to get out, took my loss. And then my account, I think, when I ended stream was like $780 loss, which was a little bit more of a loss than what I want to take on these accounts. But again, I was like, hey, it's a bad day of trading. It's okay. And we just call it a day. And then, I even talked about it on stream about using my Guardian Angel Trader and shutting down my trading for the day. And usually I'm really good with doing that. For some reason today, I ended stream somewhere here, around 11, I think. I forget exactly when I ended stream, but I got up. I actually had to do some errands, so I just went out, got away from the desk, and I went out and I came back. But the key part was I didn't turn off my trading for the day using Guardian Angel Trader. That was the mistake. So I come back into the office and I see we just made some really nice moves here that I completely missed out on. And we were starting to make moves higher again. And I actually ended up scalping quite a bit here. I actually had my accounts back to only like a $240 loss. So we basically made back like $500. And then, you know what happened? The big red candle happened. And basically, I tried to recover from the trade. I should have just got out. I tried to recover. by taking some small wins. And unfortunately, just did not have enough drawdown to be even thinking of doing that, and paid the price. That account we were trading. I'm sorry, excuse me. I still am struggling with a cough. But yeah, that account is now blown. So the first account that we've tried to get to another payout, this is one of the accounts that we've already gotten a payout from. So that's why I'm not super sad about it. But to think that we had this account, we had like $1,200 of drawdown that we had in this account yesterday. So we had made really good progress on this account. And then today we just basically, with that all went to trash and all for nothing. So definitely a learning curve, taking some notes. And the main takeaway from today was, okay, I need to turn off that. The problem was I didn't turn off my trading right away. And I found the longer I wait, the harder it is to turn that trading off for the day. And it's just a discipline thing. And I keep thinking, oh, I can make that money back. I can make it back. And instead of just as soon as I hit that max loss, turn off that trading for the day. And then it's out of body, out of mind. I don't even think about it. But knowing that I didn't turn it off when I came back into the office, temptation was just too big. And I was just convinced. I was convinced I was going to take this account and bring it back into green. And then, it's going to be rainbows and butterflies. Well, that's not how it ended. We ended up paying the price. So it is what it is. We live and learn. This is unfortunately part of my trading journey that I struggle with a little bit. I struggle with the most is discipline. So we will learn from it, and we will move on to the next account. Here, let me show all the accounts. So I requested payout requests for these accounts. These 8 accounts I requested, and they are not approved yet, which is fine. But we'll be trading one of these accounts. We'll be switching to and trading tomorrow. And hopefully, I know, we only have, we're only going to have like $500 of drawdown on all of these accounts. So I fully expect we're going to lose some accounts. Hopefully we won't lose them in this fashion, but I know we're going to lose some accounts. If we can get some accounts back to a payout again, I'll be happy. And then we'll just move on from there. But anyway, enough rambling. I do apologize. I forgot to upload and export my trades into TradeZella today. I'll do it tomorrow. But anyway, that is it for today. Hopefully you guys had a better day than I did. Hopefully you ended green. But hey, you know what? You know what really helps? In the past, blowing an account or doing this, it hurt a lot more in a weird way, because now, yes, this hurts. I'm more just disappointed in myself, but then I think, hey, at least I have a $30,000 payout coming this month, and it just helps ease that pain a little bit. So hopefully we can continue to get payouts. That is going to be the most important thing. So anyway, thanks everyone for your support. Appreciate every one of you. Take care. We'll be back tomorrow, and God bless.